So hunched over, but head back. Second train. Hunched over, head back. Yeah.
Please remain seated. Favor de mantenerse sentado. All right, ladies. Looks like you've been assigned a sea turtle rescue mission. Are you ready? Sit up straight, eyes forward, and hold on tight. Oh yeah, go on.
Simulation sequence initiated. Trainees, please face forward and prepare to launch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Why can't steel eel be that smooth? It might be less entertaining. Steel eel will be flat so smoothly.
We ask that you please remain seated until the ride has come to a full and complete stop. Once the lock bars have been unlocked, please exit towards your left, taking all belongings with you.